And ang goal naman niya always is to collaborate and engage the stakeholders and those especially na nagmamahal na sa Philippine cinema as much as him. So, hindi natin, napakarami nating mga pelikula pero marami ring nawala. Pero napakarami ninyo na magbubuhay at mag-create na, mag-immortalize ng mga pelikula natin. So, I hope that this in the Philippines and was really supportive of expanding our Philippine Film Archive. Hopefully there's a way to address po your question kanina, ma'am. But if we were to refer during the time that I was the head of the Film Development Council of the Philippines, our goal is to safeguard and to be vanguards of these very important films deposited to us. So the